Two simple methods to delete pages in MS Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can delete pages in MS Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first method, if you want to delete your blank page, here I have 4 pages and among them the fourth one I have this blank pages. Now to delete the last page, all you have to do is place your cursor in this place, press Ctrl in your keyboard, then press the backspace key, and there you go. Now the fourth page is deleted. Now the next method to delete your page is, for example, I want to delete the second page where I have this text right here. Now the second way to delete is press Ctrl plus G key in your keyboard. From here select the page and now in this text box type in /page. Once you're done, click on go to. Now your page is highlighted as you can see. Then click on close. Once you are done with that, now simply press delete key in your keyboard and there you go. Now the second page is also deleted. So these are the 2 ways to delete pages in MS Word, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.